Wow, surprising Monday. Stock market's closed. The 10-year U.S. Treasury traded above 4%. Now, you remember everybody's been debating the magnitude of the decrease in rates, and they weren't ready for. All treasuries went up in yield, and when they went up in yield, stock market was down 400,000 points as the U.S. government yields all increased instead of decreased, in part because we saw oil continue its upward rally. Now, it's not been a radical rally, but it has been a large rally relative to where it's been. And then the tech sector got handed bad news. A couple of firms downgraded Apple and Amazon. So the Magnificent Seven's not so magnificent. However, they had a little bit of good news. Nvidia was up today despite the downgrade of Apple and Amazon. And remember, it's now trading around 127. It was $100 in August, so it's showing incredible strength because of the AI link. And crypto, we see, despite being down on the week, was up not significantly, but it didn't give up very much, in part because, here comes the good news. Remember all the nightmare problems with FTX? Well, a judge approved out of the FTX bankruptcy that the customers are to be fully repaid in cash with interest. And many people believe, and in the crypto world in particular, that they will use that cash to go out and buy crypto. Now, I don't know that that's true, but that's the thinking in part which helped crypto today. And the other thing that helped crypto today was that the dollar didn't go up despite the increase in interest rates. So while crypto didn't do any dramatic up move and it gave back some of its gain, it was helped by the FTX news and the fact that the dollar is ignoring, if you will, the spike up in interest rates. I think today's huge surprising move in spike up of interest rates and the large sell-off in the equity market and the downgrade of Apple and Amazon suggests that the CPI, which directly affects everything in terms of what the Fed's going to do, etc., will be even more important than we thought it was going to be at the beginning of the day. And please keep your eye on the dollar, because it is also interesting that despite the spike up in interest rates, the dollar didn't go up. And with the spike up in oil, you would have thought that the dollar might go up more. It didn't. So that's very helpful for crypto.